Let's say you and your family are coming to Salem and you say, you know what? I'd like to find a nice relaxing place for all of us to go to and just have a good time. Forest River Park, the Willows, Dead Horse Beach. Yeah, let's go to that one, Dead Horse Beach. Well, today we're gonna find out why somebody decided, you know what? This is a beautiful beach. Not a bad little spot. Why don't we name it after dead horses? And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a jellyfish. He's pretty much gonna be a goner in this sun. He's gonna be like a friggin' jelly pizza here in about 20 minutes. It's friggin' hot out. So think about it. Back in 1800s, horses were like pickup trucks. They were everywhere on the streets, pulling everything. Every now and then, your pickup truck would die. So what would you do? Well, if it was a horse, it's not like you call friggin' AAA. Look like somebody was making a little sandcastle here. Oh! King of the castle. Crab's king of the castle. Congratulations. So you're out all day, like Amazon, making deliveries on your horse Steve, and then Steve drops dead. Steve ain't making it home anymore. Back then, you had to do something with Steve once Steve was gone, right? You can't just leave him anywhere. It's going to stink up the place. So what would happen? Well, Steve would end up here. This whole place was off the beaten path. Back in the day, they needed a place to put all the friggin' dead horses that were no longer effective, or no longer friggin' horsing around anymore. So what they did is, back in the day, they found a spot that was not too far from Salem to put all the dead horses. And this is the location that they found. Essentially, it's a horse burial ground, if you really want to think about it that way. Now people here come to go swimming, walk their dogs, let the dogs take a crap. People bring here and walk their kids step in the dog crap. Cycle of life, baby. Meanwhile, I'm standing here wondering if I have a 170-year-old horse underneath my feet somewhere in this sand. I mean, honestly, it's a beautiful little beach. Terrible branding, though. Hey, all I'm saying is if Salem gets to have ghost witches, I think horses deserve to have their light in the moment as well. This is actually one of my favorite views here in Salem, to be honest with you. You gotta come here during sunset to watch this. Secret hidden little gem about Salem. Come here to Dead Horse Beach. Check out the sunsets. They're really nice, if you don't mind the dead horses. Could you imagine if they renamed this place Sunset Beach instead of freaking Dead Horse Beach? You'd have people freaking having fistfights for parking over here. Meanwhile, not many people that come to visit Salem even bother coming over to this part to check this place out. So yeah, that's pretty much what this place is. Essentially, when all the horses died, or any time a horse would die, they needed a place to put it, so off to Dead Horse Beach it came. It wasn't called Dead Horse Beach yet, obviously. It's just a name that stuck with it due to the history of it. But yeah, pretty much a horse graveyard. Now it's got a name that goes with it. If I dig up a freaking dead horse bone here, I'm stopping the freaking video. So yeah, it's not like this place is freaking hidden or anything like that. If you're trying to come down here, essentially just go to the Salem Willows. When you get to the main entrance, take a left, follow it around the curve, and right before you go back up the hill again, you'll see it hiding on the right-hand side. There's no sign on it anymore. There used to be a sign. I don't know where it went. I don't know, maybe somebody thought the name was hilarious and stole the sign. I don't know. These guys know something. In reality, nobody really knows how many horses were buried here. The only thing I could pull up online is a lot. A lot of them. What do you think people wore back in the day to the beaches in the 1800s? You know damn well they didn't have friggin' shorts and bikinis. They probably still came to the beach here wearing like a big bowler hat, suit, pocket watch. Wonder what I would look like in that. Dead Horse Beach! You know what bothers me the most is they didn't even friggin' try to change the name. They didn't even try. Dead Horse Beach is what they stuck with. I don't know. I'm out of here. Later.